So there's a very famous amusement park there, GRS. So there was a class
Same GRS Park. Yeah.
GRS. Oh my god.
Hi everyone, I recently came across Clappingo and I was satisfied with its videos which I watched on YouTube, and I finally made my mind to get the subscription of 1 month and experience the platform. And this video is the first video of me attending a paid session of Clappingo. I hope you enjoy our session and learn some new English words from the mentor and my conversation. And if you have any doubts or if you feel stuck in speaking English, I recommend you to get Clappingo subscription, and you can also ask me questions in the comment section below.
Hello, Mega.
Hi, Shivatma Chennai. Can I call you Shiv?
Yeah. My friends call me Shiv because of that complex name.
Because of the complexity, right? And
Yeah.
Shiv, I couldn't help but notice that you're from Mangalore. Am I right?
Yeah. Like, personally, I chose you because you are from Mangalore, and it's
Ah,
way better to connect with a tutor who is from Mangalore.
is it? Thank you.
Yeah.
So, Konkani Atta?
Konkani Atta. I speak Konkani.
Awesome.
It's my mother tongue. I was about to ask you the same question.
Yeah, it's the same. It's my mother tongue as well, okay? So
And
great. Khan Khana?
I heard a lot of your conversation on YouTube.
Okay. And I hope you liked it.
Yeah, I loved it because the way you continue the conversation and everything.
Thank you, Shiv. Thank you so much.
I had food. And what about you?
Yes. Even I had my breakfast. It's done. So now I'm ready for lunch.
Oh, like after this session, you will have lunch.
No. I'll take like 1 or 2 hours. After that, I'll have. Okay. So yes,
Hmm.
Shiv, I have one doubt. Like, this is your regular session, right? You had done with your demo session, and this is your regular class.
Yeah, this is my first regular class.
First regular class. Okay, perfect. So how did your demo session go?
Demo session was fantastic. It was with
Okay.
Amrita Valli, I think.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And she was a great tutor. She explained me how Clappingo works. And
Mm-hmm.
I also enjoyed the overall experience. Like I personally have tried Cambly
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and Engu. These two are the like opponents of Clappingo, and by trying all the three demo sessions of all the three platforms, I
Mm-hmm.
finally ended up in Clappingo.
Wow. Thank you. Thanks for choosing us. Yeah.
Yeah,
And I hope that you have amazing sessions as well in the future. Right? I hope all your sessions are as good or even better than your demo. Okay.
yeah, and you are really doing great.
Thank you so much. Actually, this is my first session and you just made my day. Okay. Honestly. Yes.
I'm good to
So,
hear that.
okay. It's not I'm good to hear. I'm pleased to hear that.
Okay, I am pleased to hear that. And
Yes.
one more thing, you can correct me. Like you need not have to feel like I
Mhm.
will feel bad or something. I am always
Mm.
open to open critics.
Sure. And when do you want your feedback, Shiv? Do you want it as soon as you make a mistake? Like now you just said the word, right? After your sentence, or do you want it towards the end of the conversation, like the last 5 minutes, maybe?
However works for you. Like whichever
Okay.
is easier to you, you can do that. You can stop me in
Okay.
between as well.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Like normally, I prefer to correct towards the end, okay? Because I sometimes you will be in your train of thoughts, and if I interrupt in between, that might be affected. So I normally give it in the end. That's how. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, it's okay with me.
Okay, great. Then let's dive into today's session, the first one. Did you get a chance to maybe have a glance through the session document?
Yeah, like I had a glance three times totally.
3 times. So
Yeah,
you have had a glance, then you have revised it 2 times as well, is it?
not exactly revision, but like I have saw some vocabulary words,
Mm-hmm.
and I also saw
Okay.
the types of questions in that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. That's nice. And when you say I have, right, the next will be seen. I have seen the document. It's not like
I
saw.
have seen the document. Okay.
Yup. It's the participle form, right? I have seen the document. Okay. Yes. So you are from a coastal area, right? But still, I would like to ask you a question. Are you a mountain person or are you a beach person?
Both.
Both?
I love hiking and
Mhm.
I love going to beach because beach gives me some kind of relaxation. But it should not be a crowded place. That's all.
Okay, okay, got you, got you. So, in the beaches, right, especially where there are food stalls and all these adventure activities happening, those places are very crowded. But if you walk a little further along the shore, it's slowly the crowd slowly starts becoming less and less. Have you observed that?
I actually once done that, and
Mm-hmm.
what happened is in the end of the beach,
Mm-hmm.
there were some policemen, and they were telling me to go back.
Okay. So I hope they were not too strict with you. Just they just gave you a verbal warning and they let you go.
Yeah, from far itself, they said stop coming this way and go that.
Okay, okay, nice. So, if you imagine that you are a tour guide, okay, imagine that you are a travel guide and you have a bunch of foreigners or visitors in Mangalore, okay, where all would you take them? Name any three places you would take them to and why?
I am not that great with planning, but I can just tell the places that I have visited,
Sure, sure.
like Malpe Beach, and
Hmm.
I would also tell them to visit Goa, and
Hmm.
yeah,
Goa, not
and
Goa. In Mangalore, choose your three favorite places. One place for roaming, one place to eat, and the third anything interesting.
like I personally go to different malls to roam,
Oh, nice.
and I
Mhm.
also try to talk to random people, but most of the time I end up just passing them by because everything goes in my head, and
Okay,
I don't always execute that.
okay, okay.
And apart
Um,
from that, to visit, I would like prefer. There is a
Malpe Beach was great. Malpe Beach is a great recommendation. Apart from that, to eat, where would you take them to?
to eat. I will take them to some Domino's pizzas or Pizza Hut. Yeah, that's
Okay.
available even in their country.
Yeah. Come on, take them to some place where they give good Mangalore buns. Why would you take them to Domino's Chef? Come on.
No, I'm not that great with the recommendation of like
Really?
yeah, like I am not. I don't go outside all the times,
Hmm.
and
Okay,
I
no problem.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay. So my question was, do you have any dream destination, international place that you want to travel?
The main thing is I want to travel the world to all
Hmm.
those countries which will allow me to be myself and
Okay.
not follow some strict regulation of
Hmm.
it can be religion or anything,
Yeah.
because I want freedom of choice of everything. So
Okay.
the my top destination list
Mm-hmm.
will be
Mm-hmm.
Japan,
Mm-hmm.
USA,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and Dubai,
Wow.
Singapore.
Okay.
So these are in my
Nice.
list because I have came across some people who live
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. So you have interacted with them. You have interacted with those people. Maybe you just had a word like, tell me about your country or something like that.
Yeah, I had lot of words.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I got this chance because like I am a computer science engineer,
Mm-hmm.
but
Okay.
because of this lockdown, during the lockdown, what I did is I started doing my own podcast, YouTube, and
Oh,
freelancing. So
okay.
in the podcast, I invited some guests who belong to different countries,
Okay. Okay.
and I had a
Very
chance
nice.
to like get mentored from them in the podcast. Otherwise, they won't normally give their time to anyone because they are
Okay.
like some great entrepreneurs and all.
That's amazing. That's really impressive. So, you do all these podcasts, right? How do you get their contact? Like you mentioned that they are renowned people, yeah? There are renowned personalities. How do you manage to get in touch with them, and how do you convince them to be on your show?
First thing is I would like to tell that you should show your passion in the way you write as well.
Okay.
And I also don't recommend writing because
Mhm.
they will get a lot of spam messages every day.
Yes,
So,
yes.
so what you can do to stand out is
Mhm.
record your video on telling that how you know them, why you like their book or anything. Show
Okay,
genuine interest in themselves,
okay,
and then share a video message, a
okay,
short one, which explains
okay.
why
Uh,
should they give their time to you, because it's very valuable.
awesome, awesome. So from where did you learn all this? Have you taken a course in it, or was it self-learning?
So last year, during lockdown
Mm-hmm.
2020,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I started freelancing and starting earning money by myself for the first time.
Okay.
And that time, I invested around lakhs of rupees on different courses, mentors, books,
Oh, okay. Okay. So you're
and
very serious about this.
yeah, I don't want to continue with my computer science engineering,
Yeah.
but it taught me something, and
Mhm.
I am grateful for choosing that path as well.
Okay.
And I want to do something else. Mainly, I want to travel the world because I want to give talks in different countries.
Wow, Shiv, that's a great ambition to have. Okay, that's amazing. Keep working at it. I'm pretty sure you'll reach there very soon. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So, and in future, you plan to, include travel vlogs once this pandemic situation leaves us forever. Do you plan to make travel vlogs also?
Right now, right now from day before yesterday, I started recording daily vlogs even at my home.
Okay, okay.
So I will be documenting everything. Uh,
Everything, like full, your entire routine.
I want to when I will be in my 40 years of age
Mm-hmm.
and I have achieved greatness.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
When a 20-year-old person
Mm-hmm.
asks me how you
Mm-hmm.
got there, I want to show them my journey. That's why I want to document every single day. Even I recorded
Wow.
yesterday night, and even
Uh-huh.
I will record today's night.
That's lovely. Great. So, are you comfortable when the camera follows you all the time? You don't mind it?
I'm learning it, and if
You're
someone
learning
can
it.
do it, I can do it as well. It will
Yes,
take.
yes. Definitely. It'll take time, but obviously you can achieve that, right? It's
Yeah,
just
definitely.
consistently, if we do it, consistent practice, dedication, those things will get you far. That's true. And okay, coming to travel. If you had to choose between traveling with friends and traveling with family, who would you choose?
First thing is I want to travel
Uh-huh.
alone, but if
Okay.
that, uh, but if I had to choose the choice you give, I would
Mhm.
like to choose with friends because
Mhm.
they won't limit me for anything.
Yeah.
And I had one bad memory in my school. Like
Okay.
whole class went to a trip, and
Mhm.
it was a memorable trip.
Okay.
It happened during 10th standard,
Okay.
and only three of us didn't go to the trip in the both the
Oh,
sections
in both
because
the sections.
yeah, because my parents told me
Mhm.
they will go to some water park, and it's not
Mhm.
safe. You don't go.
Trust me, the same thing happened. I was raised in my schooling was done in Mysore, okay? So there's a very famous amusement park there, GRS. So there was a class
Same
trip.
GRS Park. Yeah.
GRS, oh my god. GRS Fantasy Park. Okay, okay. So the entire class had gone, and my parents were like, okay, there will be no one to take care of you. We will only take you. Miss this trip, and we will only take you. But they did follow up on that. They did take me, but not as part of a school trip. Same here. High five.
High five.
That's that. Yes, yes. Nice. Okay, okay. So a couple of things I've noticed. Okay, two things I would like to tell you now itself. It is, you said I have came across, right? It's not I have came across. I have come across.
I
Okay,
have come across. Okay.
come across. Okay, you will not use the past tense. Okay, whenever you say like I have eaten. Okay, so eat past tense is ate. The participle form is eaten, right? So whenever you start something with have, I have, it'll be the third form of the verb. I have eaten. okay, I have come across, yeah, I have done this. So that is one thing. And you said I will be in 40 years of age. Okay, so that in is not necessary. I will be of 40. You can just say I will be 40 years old. Okay, I will
Okay.
when I'm in my or if you want to use in, right, you can just say I will be in my 40s. You can just say 40s. Okay, when I will be in my 40s, right? Or if you
Yeah.
have any specific age in mind, you can just say the age when I'll be 40 years old. Yeah, or you can say when I'll be 40 years of age. 40 years of age. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great, great,
I
that's
will
nice.
I will implement this in my next class.
Sure, great. And from all the places that you have visited till now, uh, which one do you remember very vividly? You have really fond memories of that place.
In Mangalore,
Anywhere, any place that you've traveled in, Mangalore or maybe a different city, you have really fond memories of this.
so it would be Mudbidre, no, not Mudbidre,
Idri. Okay.
Mudigere, Mudigere.
Mudigere. Okay.
So when I was 11th standard, me and
Mhm.
my family went there,
Okay.
and it was a crazy memory because normally my dad is working, my mom is working, my sister is busy
Yeah.
with her work, and
Hmm.
we all made time for that trip, and we all went together,
Okay.
and that ended up
Okay.
being a memorable one.
Wow, that's nice. So you got to spend a lot of quality time with your family members.
Yeah.
Nice. It's great. So you said you have a sister, right? Does she live with you or is she working somewhere else?
She's currently working in Delhi in a Japanese startup. Even
Oh,
her story is really inspiring because
okay.
she is my super senior in my computer science engineering batch,
Okay.
and she ended up trying job in computer science too. Today she is a Japanese language translator in a startup.
Wow, that's so inspiring. So she can speak Japanese fluently?
Yeah, she can speak Japanese.
Very fluently, right? If she's a trainer, obviously she'll be so
She's
fluently.
certified
Amazing.
Japanese teacher.
Wow. Learning a language, right? I mean, a completely foreign language, it's not easy. It's very difficult. I had tried German for a little bit during college, but then I just let it go.
Even
But
I
yeah,
tried
that's
Spanish, German, but
great.
it didn't last.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'm happy like your sister is good with linguistics, right? It's amazing. Great skill to have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Shiv. I think we only have a couple of seconds left. The corrections I have given you already. You can work on that. And yeah, if there's anything else you want to share or ask, you can do so now.
I really enjoyed conversation with you, and it was uh, like as you are a Mangalorean, as a native, I really enjoyed connecting with you, and
Thank you, Shiv.
I'm
Thank
looking
you so
forward
much.
for more sessions with you.